Just walking the supervisor around, folks. All right, so while Belle does her business and stuff, we'll kind of do a brief of, we got everything graded in the back. Mary and our oldest daughter is going over everything, getting everything mowed, so we can get out of here for the day and get this resident taken care of. So here's a little clip for the back, and just hope everybody likes it and stuff. If you have anything to comment below, let us know. If you're interested in any kind of grading work or anything, you know, leveling, whatever needs to be done and stuff, just holler at us and stuff. Lucky7landscaping.com. Phone number 615-580-4333. You can also call Mary's phone at 615-474-6279. Our email is luck7services@gmail, and that's LUCK, the number 7, services@gmail.com. So here's a clip for the back, folks. All right, folks, so as we were saying, all of this this is going to have to settle. Everything is just going to have to lay where it's going to lay. The resident said in the center of this, he is planning on putting a flagpole or something of that nature in the center. So regardless, by the end of the day, this is still going to have some more grade work later on and digging done, depending on whatever the resident decides to do in the center of that. Here's you another little view of the straw mats down. This will take care of any open area and stuff. We just need to flag off over here just to keep everybody off of it, just so that way everything can grow. We're not going to touch this for several weeks, possibly about a month, just to get everything growing up through the mat and everything, as well as over here. So all of this is typically what we're going to naturally mow to begin with, but you know, at the end of the day and stuff, all of this will be taken care of. We're going to maintain this, let the resident know that they're going to have to water this and just stay on top of it, as well as the center. The center is not too big of an ordeal. To me, if I was already going to do some type of, you know, after building, like I said, with the flagpole and stuff like that, you're going to get into a situation to where you're going to be tearing up the ground and stuff anyways. So I would just let it be if it was me. But of course, from my point of view as a landscaper and stuff, and being able to do all the grade work and stuff, a lot of residents don't see that. So you know, just be aware of that. Let them know, as we do. You know, we just pretty much keep everything vocal as much as possible. Like I said, you know, with the concrete guys, as I've mentioned before, they had come in here and, you know, torn up the ground just enough to do what they needed to do, and left everything else for me to do, which is fine and dandy. But at the same time, you know, as a resident's point of view and stuff, you know, that's more money that they have to spend, and, you know, be able to get somebody out here to take care of those things and stuff. But, you know, as a general rule, as a, you know, common contractor, landscaper, backyardigan, whatever you want to call yourselves, out there doing a lot of work and stuff like that, you know, just make sure that you clean up after yourself. You know, make sure that you leave a good presentation stuff for the resident. You know, just make sure that everything that you do is based on, you know, your expertise. As we do, we don't get out here and horse around and everything. You know, we try to make this just like it was our own lawn, and try to take care of everything, and just maintain it and stuff like that as well. So then that way, the resident and everybody's happy. You know, over time, gradually, as you can see behind me here, all of this dirt right here is going to have to settle. You know, everything's going to wash downhill just a little bit, just from the topsoil and stuff right here. A lot of it's just a lot of chunks, stuff like that, that, you know, when they dug out the driveway and all that, you know, there was just so much out here. They did backfill a little bit for us up near the house and stuff. Of course, I had to do all the grading stuff for that today, and get that where it needs to be. As you can see, here's another little point of view. You know, you can just see from where the pad is, everything comes downhill, and everything will flow greatly from here. I'm sure that the resident will be just fine with this, because everything right here earlier was just one big clump right here. They had dug out this little point, so we graded all this stuff back in, backfilled, and then let everything, because naturally the water flows this way and goes out around the shop. So with that being said, like I said, you know, we're all about trying to make things right and everything, making everything maintainable. You know, like I said, we just hope to you know, please everybody and stuff like that. Like I said, not everybody can be pleased on the first try, but at least you know, the effort is there. So like I said before, any of our customers that are local, that watch our videos and stuff like that, anybody out there that subscribe to us, I know we're new and stuff like that, but you know, just keep sharing the word, let people know who we are, what we do. You know, we do everything at a professional state. You know, like I said, everything is on paperwork. You know, everything is black and white. So therefore, you know, we just try to keep it simple, easy, and, you know, just come in, do the job, take care of the resident, or the company that we're going in to do work for, and anything like that. You know, just go in, do it right. Don't go in and half-ass a lot of things, because that's what I see. We did post on social media the other day a picture that we had, you know, noticed. We had stopped at a gas station. These guys looked like some back home boys and stuff. You know, nothing against that, but at the same time, they were backfilling mulch back onto a you know, mulch bed that was already there, but they wasn't cleaning out any of the debris. They wasn't putting in any edging. They wasn't doing anything. They wasn't you know, making an edge in the lawn or nothing. I mean, it was just pretty much a backfill situation. Here at Lucky 7, we don't do that. We try to go in, clean everything out if able. You know, if the resident wants to keep it and stuff, that's fine and dandy, but if it's full of trash and grass and debris and all that stuff, you know, we just try to go in, clear all that stuff out, get it taken care of, so then that way when we go back in for the next time, you know, we can pretty much just do everything and get it taken care of for them, and then that way there's no issues later down the road. And then, you know, progressively that makes us more business and stuff, that makes us more presentable. We go back and do a job for the company or the resident and stuff like that, and, you know, we're good to go from there. But anyways, as you can see, a little more preview behind me here. See a little bit more of the grading, all this stuff up here behind me, the circle. Like I said, you know, preferably I want to do more with that, but at the same time, that's one of those situations to where you know, if they're going to be doing more work later on and stuff, you know, we're just going to get it suitable and watersheddable and stuff right now, and then come back in and fully 100% finish it once they get it taken care of on the next run. So anyway, guys, this is it for this video. We're going to finish up the lawn mowing and get this resident done so we can move on to the next one, and just stay tuned for the next video. See you guys.